Hello all, hope you're having a fantastic Christmas. Thought I'd share my thoughts on my latest purchase, a Razer Kiyo webcam. I picked this up specifically for streaming on YouTube and Twitch. On the box the camera is advertised at 720p, 60 frames a second with an adjustable built-in ring light. Overall, the build quality of the camera is decent with a good heft and picture quality is fantastic. Autofocus is sharp and quick and the ring light adjustment is smooth. In OBS, the camera does also support 1080p at 30 frames a second. Total cost of this purchase was £30 on sale, making it a great deal. Now, onto my complaints. A common issue that I found when setting this camera up was freezing in OBS, specifically if the camera was set to 720p 60 frames a second. After 10 minutes of streaming, the camera would remain on but display a still shot. To remedy this issue, the camera had to be set to its 1080p resolution. This was slightly annoying as the main advertisement is 60 frames a second in the video, however, considering the sales price and the 1080p video quality, I was able to look past and hope down the line a workaround is found. Hope you enjoyed this super short unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.